Salt in the air, sun on my face. The waves hum songs no time can erase. A seagull laughs above the tide, a secret world where dreams collide. Baltic whispers call to me, a song of summer on the sea. Endless skies in golden sand, a fleeting world slips through my hand. The horizon bends where the water gleams. It folds my fears into quiet dreams. Driftwood tells tales in ancient tongues. The shore holds echoes of when we were young. Did you feel it? The way it sighed, the ocean's breath, a heartbeat wide. It knows the truth, it always will. It carries love that time can't kill. Baltic whispers call to me, a song of summer on the sea. Endless skies and golden sand, a fleeting world slips through my hand. The sun sinks low, the colors bloom. The sea hums softly, a timeless tune. I walk the edge where worlds entwine. The Baltic Sea, its heart is mine.